Good morning everyone. My name is Aditya Shirsat and I am working on mass housing scheme. My project guide is Sachin Gulve sir. So the concept based on deconstructivism, I worked on 2 points: the manipulation of structural surfaces and fragmentation. And these are some basic explorations. So this is the site. The site is situated on Gangapur Road. This is the Gangapur Road and the site is near Someshwar temple. The area is a little outskirt of the Nashik, but the site has good connectivity to the city. So this is the master plan. The total area is the 19,271 square meter and the total built up area is 19,678 square meter. This is the 24-meter wide road. This is the Gangapur road. This is the main entrance to the site. This is the watchman's cabin and these three is the main access to the site. These are the 20 units of row houses. These 10 have entry from east side and these 10 have entry from west side. These are the 5 twin bungalow unit and this is the bungalow unit. These 4 are the bungalows and these 3 are the parking for the apartments and this is the amenity space. This is the multi-purpose hall. These are 6 shops and this is the ATM. This is the garden and this is the indoor game zone. This is the first floor master plan. These are the first floor of row houses, twin bungalow, and these are the apartment plan. These 3 are the apartments and this is the amenity space. So this is basement parking plan for 2-wheelers. It has 275 parking capacity and these are the UGT placement for each unit. These are the amenity floor plans. This is the ground floor plan, first floor plan and second floor plan. This is the on the first floor there is a pool, baby pool, gym. This is the lift for vertical movement. These are the shower and changing room for the swimming pool and this is the circular ramp. In front of ramp there is a waterfall. This is the skylight for multi-purpose hall and the other side is there is a healthcare center with isolation area and there is a connected green area. And on the second floor there is a library and this is the open green space for sitting and these are some 3D views. These are the section cutting from the amenity space. These are the three apartment units. This one has the 3 BH, 2 units of 3 BHK and 3 units of 1 RK. This one has 2 units of 3 BHK and 6 units of 1 BHK, and this one has 2 units of 3 BHK and 6 units of 2 BHK. Apartment plan and the section. This is the second apartment and its section. Third apartment plan and its section. So this is the 3 BHK unit plan. The plan is alternatively changed on each floor, and this is the elevation. This is the 2 BHK unit plan, and the plan is alternatively changed on each floor, and this is the elevation. This is 1 BHK unit plan, and the plan is alternatively changed on each floor, and this is the elevation. This is the 1 RK unit plan, and the plan is alternatively changed on each floor, and this is the elevation. This is the row house ground floor plan and first floor plan, and these are the sections, and this is the elevation. This is the twin bungalow plan and first floor plan, and these are the sections, and this is elevation. This is the bungalow ground floor plan and first floor plan. These are the sections, and this is the view. These are the section cutting from the site, section A and B dash. This is the another section cutting from the site, section C dash.